September we met, I could tell by your smile.
Good afternoon, YouTubers. This is Mark Aquatics. So today we have a new update. Today I went to a fish store, but I will make a video on that one not yet today, because I'm just checking in. And today we have a couple of friendly fish here that I just bought, and let me show you. You see my two heart parrotfish here. This is for the new store that I bought today, for my 125 gallon. Of course, you remember my parrotfish, my green terror, my Batman also is in the back hiding. My platinum parrotfish, my blue polar. Okay, of course, SpongeBob is still hiding in there. I'm not sure if there's an egg there. Of course, my platinum still here, but the fry here is already gone. They eat all of them, but he's still guarding somebody. But I don't know if there's still one alive there. My blue polar, one of my parrot right there. Platinum, my platinum here. Okay. So this too, I bought this one today. So this is my update for my 125 gallon. So let's go to my 55 gallon aquarium. Here's my 55 gallon aquarium. So here's my fry again. Let me give you an update. So you can see it's getting bigger. Okay, and some of my fry there. And we bought also, this is for my son actually. We just bought 4 mollies, but I'm not sure if they're gonna survive there, but I believe it will survive there for a couple of weeks or months. I'm trying to make sure that they will survive. And the other side, the blue polar and the platinum parrotfish, you can see that one on the other side. That's the guy from this side here. Okay, so these are my platinum there, blue polar. Okay, and that's all my update for today. Thank you for watching. For all the new subscribers, thank you very much for supporting my channel. I really appreciate for subscribing, and all my subscribers also. I want to thank you all. I want to thank you, and have a nice day. See you next time.